Hi Evan, this tutorial is for you to draw your donut. So the first thing that I did was I downloaded your image and then I went up to File and Place. So I placed your image and it came in at this size onto my page. This is an A4 page which is 297 millimeters wide by 210 millimeters high. So I've placed it on the page and then I have gone to Object and Lock Selection. So this one here, this one's already locked. So once you've done that, then I want you to just double check your settings. So go to Window and down to Workspace and make sure that you've got Essentials Classic selected. What this will do, it will open up more tools for you on your desktop. So over here, you'll have two columns of tools in your tool palette rather than just one. The tools are still there, they're just hidden behind these little triangles that are in the bottom right of each little tool palette. And then across the top you've got the fill color, so you've got a range of colors down here, or you can double click on there. You've got the line tool, you've got the stroke weight or thickness, and then different types of stroke and sizes and styles of stroke. Then you've got other things across on the right hand side. So Window, Workspace, Essentials Classic. So click on that one and that will reset and refresh your screen. So then I want you to go to the tool palette and click on the zoom tool, and I'm just going to click and drag across the donut that I want to trace, so then it draws the screen into that actual area there. Okay, so now that you've done that, you're simply going to go to the tool palette down here. So the rectangle will be showing, but you're going to be doing circles for the donut. So you're going to click and hold down and get the ellipse tool. So once you have the ellipse tool, then you're going to, first we're going to do two parts. First, we're going to do the circle for the donut itself, and then we're going to do the circle and the shape for the icing separate, and I'll show you why. So you're just going to click and drag. Now, if you don't hold down the Shift key, it's not going to give you a perfect circle. So make sure you hold down the Shift key as you're dragging, and so that'll give you a perfect circle. Go to the selection tool on the left hand side to drag it into place to see if it's the right size. If it's not the right size, you can scale it up or down by double clicking on here, and you could go up, say 102, type that in and just hit the tab key, and that will set these horizontal and vertical as well, and just go OK. So I've done that. Now I can't see exactly where the picture is behind. That's because my box has a fill in it. So I'm going to click on the box down here in the tool palette and then click on no fill. So then I've just got the outline. So then I can go back to the selection tool and drag it into place. Obviously it's not a perfect circle, so I'll just leave it at this here. Now I'm going to go for this inside circle so that I can do the center of the donut. And then with the selection tool, I'll move it into place. Okay, now this isn't perfectly aligned yet. So what I'm going to do with the selection tool, this is a quick and easy way to select multiple things. Just click and drag so that you over both of these. So you can see they're both highlighted. Now up the top here, you have the horizontal align center. So you'll click on that one, and then you also have the vertical align center. So then you'll click on that one. And so what that does is it aligns one image over the other.